Hello folks, Justin here at Sunset Chevrolet in Sumner, Washington. What I have next to me is a 2008 Dodge Ram 3500, 1-ton dually. Stock number is PD719. Bright silver in color. You notice right away the aggressive Dodge Crosshair grille lets you know when you're coming at you. Alright? This is the 6.7 turbo diesel engine with the manual transmission. The ultimate pulling machine. Okay, all the options you need in here: power windows, power locks, integrated factory exhaust brake, helps you slow down the vehicle when you're towing that heavy load. Audio controls on the stereo, okay, quad cab, plenty of room for everybody in the back. And then also you have your fold flat storage, so if you have tools and stuff, nice flat shelf in here so you can haul everything you need. Storage underneath of there too. Alright, come back to the back. You notice right away, spray-in liner. Looks like it has brand new tires on it. All set up for towing. You got your hitch, you got your wiring. Here's a look at the bed. Okay, you got your hide-a-ball already in there. You're set up to go. You don't have to do anything to this truck except come on in here and buy it. We're going to take care of financing, trade value, everything you need. Your one-stop shop. Great looking truck. As you walk around it, you don't see there's a scratch on it. Only 19,000 miles on this one. It's not even broke in yet. Power seat, get to the perfect position for best visibility. Brake controller, cruise control. Come see us. Any questions you have, you can call the number up at the top of the screen. Okay, available lifetime powertrain warranty for free on this truck. Alright, call me, Justin, with any questions. Come see me here at Sunset Chevrolet in Sumner.